Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how you export data from Redcap server, and also I'm going to show you how you can opt for different options when exporting data on your server. There are many options. You can choose to export the data. You can choose to export an Excel sheet. You can choose to export it in a format that is consistent with the SPSS software, and also there is another option which you can opt for, whereby you can export using the PDF format. Okay, so here I'm on the dashboard, and as you can see, there's the our project is the audit, the first one. In this video I'm also going to show you our adjusted form, and I would like to hear your feedback about it, whether it is good or or not, right? And then this adjusted format is having some skip logics, and also it has those things that were commented on the spreadsheet, where it was said we should add the column for gender, and also we should highlight whether the, let's say, USS abdomen, if it's not done, it should be in its column. And for a patient who has received the USS abdomen, the date should be indicated in a separate column. So I have done that for for all of the options that are in the project. So coming to the issue of exporting first, you see here where it is written data exports, reports and states. You click there, and then you go here. Right, you can see here there it is written export data. Export data. Okay, and export data here. So as I was saying, we're exporting all data, all records and fields. You can see here there is CSV, Microsoft Excel format. There is also the CSV, Microsoft Excel raw data, meaning there is nothing adjusted there. It's only the real data that is in our server is the same data we are going to get from the server, and the same data we are going to download or to export, right? Then the SPSS statistical software, it means the data which we are going to export will be very uh, importable when it comes to using the SPSS software, and even the SAS, even the ARA statistical software. The data that we export, it will be very consistent. It will be accepted by the ARA software. And then starter also, if you click for starter, it means that the data will also be consistent for using the starter software. So here I'm going to opt for Excel, because on our analysis of finding out the difference between the dates of each event, we are going to use Excel formulas. So I click here on Excel, Microsoft Excel raw data. Okay, and here I'll click export. Right, data is being exported. Right, all right. So as you can see here, CSV, Microsoft Excel raw data, there is here the click icon where I will click and then download, and you can also see here where it said send file. You can send this file to another email, or some people whom you would want to share the data sheet. Okay, so on this send file, you'll be indicated where you can place the email and the topic for the file, the title and everything. Then you can send someone. But here now we only need to download the file. So the file is being downloaded and we can open it. We can open the file. Open the file. So the file will be showing raw data from our server, Redcap server. And as you can see, I haven't yet adjusted this form for what was commented on the first spreadsheet datasheet, where they would say put these things separately, whereby you can say not yet done or done, not yet done or done. Then you can see them. So that's exactly how you can export the data. And now the data will be consistent for any further analysis. Any further analysis we can do using the Excel formulas. Okay, so now I'm getting back to our Redcap server. And there I'm going to show you the adjusted form, where I've put the column for gender. This one, adjusted version, audit adjusted version, right? On this adjusted version, I'll just show you by an example how you will be entering the single records of each patient. So likewise from the previous one, we were saying date first presented, and then we can enter the date first presented. For this patient, date first presented was 16 July. So here we go, say 2021. 2021. Then July. Yes, July 16. That was the date first presented. July 16. Then the first name for the patient, yes, Manuela. The last name is Chikuna. Manuel Chikuna. Then the age is 2. So I guess we will share on how we will present this age, because I saw on the comments it is written that the age should be in number format. So we will choose the standard format for age. Here we say male. I've added gender now on this one. Then date of first chemo, uh, 31 August 2021. So we come here, 2021, 2021, August. Thirty-one August 2021. So now you see there's a slight change here. You're saying USS abdomen, right? For the USS abdomen, we are saying there's a question mark done here. Is it done? If it is done, you say yes. If it is not done, you say no, right? The moment you say yes for the USS abdomen, you see there will be a pop out of this question which say date for USS abdomen. Okay, so it means if you say no, that date question for date for USS abdomen will not show out. Okay, so here it was done in 2021, right? And the month is July. 1 July. Okay, 1 July. Then we go again to CT abdomen. CT abdomen, it's 6 August. So here it has been done. So here it is asking, is it done, the CT abdomen? If it is done, you say yes. If it's not yet done, you say no. But if you say yes, it has been done, the question for the date on which it was done will then come out. That's the skip logic. Now we are saying it's 2021 August, the month of August. Then the date was 6 August. Okay, then echo, this echo, now you see it's not yet done. So we are saying, is it done? No, it hasn't been done. So when you say no, it hasn't been done, there will be no question which will come out asking us that what is the date for echo. Then we'll proceed to FBC. For this patient, we can see that the FBC was done. So we say yes, it has been done. Then the question for the date to which it was done will come out, and then we'll say what was the date. It was in 2021, July 2021, on the month July 2021. The date was 16 July 2021. Okay, 16 July 2021. Right. I go for CXR. It was done July 1, 2021. So CXR, I say yes. Okay, so these dates, I have put them in a date format because I also saw that one of the comments will say convert these dates that you have entered in a date format. So when you are entering from this form, there will be no more need to adjust these dates. When they get to our spreadsheet, they will be in a date format. Okay, so that's the advantage of validating our date in day, month, and year. Okay, so it was done in 1 July. Then I go to aptt. aptt now is not yet done, so I'll say no, it has not been done. Then I'll go to nephrectomy. Okay, for this one, it has been done. It has been done 31 July 2021. 31 July 2021. So we say yes. Then we say to histology. Date received histology. Yes. So here on histology, there is a comment that says if it was indicated and done, you say yes, and then there is need to separate the columns. And also for these options, if he awaits the histology, it means it has been indicated and it's not yet done, right? And for the option of done, it means that it has been indicated and done for the second one. Then for not applicable, it now means the patient, for the patient, histology is not applicable. And for this one, it has been done, which means that it has been indicated and done. Now the question for date will come out, because we would want to know the date for which the histology was done, was applied, was received. So we are now saying it's 2021. The date was 2021 October. No, it's September 8th, the 8th of September, right? Then for radiotherapy, it goes on the same. The patient is either on the waiting list when he awaits the radiotherapy, and also whether the radiotherapy has been done. If the radiotherapy has been done, we would want to know the date, and the question for date will come. And then I've seen you giving up this response, which is saying lost follow-up. So I just put it in case you find many patients who conform to this response of saying no, lost follow-up. But for this patient now, it's not applicable. The radiotherapy is not applicable. Okay, so here I will say save and exit form. I have only entered this one form so that I can show you how the adjusted form is operating. So what I will do now is I'm going to send you the dictionary for this adjusted form, and then you will create a new project for the adjusted form and enter these entries, these records of the patients in a right way, in a way that conforms with the comments that were coming from the supervisor. Apologies, it may be tiresome, but it means that you have to put up or to show up a work that is close to perfect. Okay, so then when